Hey guys, it's Joanne here, and today I'm bringing you another Nadine West try-on haul. And if you're not familiar with Nadine West, it's very similar to Stitch Fix, where it's a monthly subscription service where they send you clothes every month based upon your style profile, and they have a personal stylist for you. If you want more information on Nadine West, I will leave it in the description box, but right now I want to get right to the haul. So this is a combination over the past couple of months of pieces that Nadine West has sent me. These earrings, I absolutely love these gold dangly earrings, and I have a bracelet that came, and it's kind of like little teeny pearls. It's just so adorable. I absolutely love it, and it has like a little button closure. And then the top that I have is like a cold shoulder top. I just want to, here, let me go down so you guys can see the fit of it. But it is just a really cute, very nice, flattering. I love the color on me, and I just love the kind of bell sleeves that it has. Next item, I actually got two pairs of shorts, so we're gonna go down a little bit further so you can see the shorts. Obviously they wouldn't normally get paired with a top like this, but these are the shorts, and they are very, very comfortable. They're nice and soft. They don't have any pockets, but they're just a really nice, kind of like an Aztec theme to the shorts. And they did send me one other pair, which I'm gonna show you the pattern on the other pair, so just hold on 2 seconds. So here is the other pattern pair, and I just love the blues and the flowers and the mustard yellow that's in this. They're just really, really nice and soft and comfortable. Like, I basically could live in these shorts. So I'll be back, and I'm gonna throw on a few more items that I got from Nadine. So this next top, I really, really like the fact that it has like this choker effect across the neck, and it opens up here with a little mini sweetheart neckline, and it basically is like an A, kind of a flowy A-length. This would go really nice, I think, with like a pair of leggings or a pair of jeans, and you could actually have some type of a necklace here if you wanted to accentuate the necklace. So I'm really, really loving this top. The last clothing item I got was, it's a really cute dress with a gathering right here that kind of makes like a higher waistline, and it's just so nice and flowy, and it's so comfortable to wear. I just really love these kind of dresses that you can just feel comfortable in when you're out and about. And then this necklace was the one of the last accessory items that I got. It's actually blue, it's actually black, not navy, but I thought I would put it on so you guys could see it on the chest. But it's just like these 3 separate little like teardrop designs that kind of come together to make one nice little impact piece. That's the last 2 accessory items that I got, where I got these really cute dangly earrings. These are more of a like a teal color with like a smoke gray, and I really, really like those. And then for fun, they sent me these cute little just sunglasses for the summertime. They have this like almost like, I guess they're like daisy flowers on the side, and we can just put these on. So yeah, I really like all these pieces that I've been getting from Nadine West. So that is going to be it for my haul today, guys. If you like these kind of haul videos, reveal videos, then please make sure you give my video a big thumbs up. It really helps me, it helps my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Joanne. It's so nice to meet you. If you're new, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, become part of my YouTube family. For those of you who have already become part of my family, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I truly appreciate the support of my channel. You guys be awesome, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next video. Bye, guys.